Hey guys, welcome to the first day of 12 days of Christmas makeup looks. This is the first look I have for you. So, I was sitting on the toilet the other day and I came up with this great idea of 12 days of Christmas, but I'm not a vlogger, so I decided to do 12 days of makeup looks, and I looked it up and only one other person did something similar. I'll put that down below, but no one's ever done like 12 days of different Christmas looks, so that's what I'm doing. This is the first look. It is a red, sparkly, kind of more fall vibe, smoky eye. I'm going to be uploading all the way up until Christmas Eve, and stay tuned if you want to see how I created this look. Okay, so I already have my full face of foundation and makeup on, so I'm just going to go in with the eyes. I'm going to start off with this black color in this, I think it's called the Nudes palette. But I'm just going to go in the black, and I'm just going to go in like this outer V area and just go up. Kind of like an ugly winged eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to use the Pacifica palette. I got this in an Ipsy bag. This is the Tomboy vibe. And I'm just going to be using this reddish pink shade on the end as a transition shade. I'm also just kind of going to be blending it all over my lid. I think usually you're supposed to do transition shades first, but have I ever listened in the past? So now I'm going to be cutting my crease. I'm just going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and this flat angle brush to cut my crease. I'm not very good at cutting my crease, but I just like put concealer on it to make it lighter, so that way the next color that goes on will be really a lot more pigmented. So it's not like really, like it's not going to be a cut crease, but it just helps with the eyeshadow to look better. Next, I'm going to be going in with the shimmery red eyeshadow.
Sorry about that.
This eyeshadow is Blinkle. I've never read this before. This eyeshadow is called Blinkle Shimmer Eyeshadow. It's in Tangerine Light, and it's vegan. Just read that on there. I'm just going to be going in with the same brush that I used to conceal because I don't have a lot of brushes. And I'm just going to kind of dig up some of the eyeshadow, which I don't think you're supposed to do, but it kind of just like makes it look more shimmery and more pigmented. And I'm going to pat that along everywhere that I covered in concealer. So after I put those all over my eyelids, I'm just going to be blending in so it looks less harsh. Okay, so after the majority of the eye look is done, I'm just going to take a small angled brush and go in with some more black and maybe mix in with some brown and just kind of do eyeliner. I feel like actual eyeliner is like too dark for me. If you're comfortable wearing eyeliner, like do eyeliner, but this is just what I do because I'm scared of eyeliner. So the next thing I'm going to do for the eyeshadow is I'm just going to take this sparkly silver glitter eyeliner and I'm going to put that in on my inner corner and put it connecting to the eyeshadow eyeliner I just did. Okay, to finish off my eyes, I'm just going to be using the Kiss 01_A eyelashes. These are like my favorite eyelashes, and you can get them at the drugstore. They're really nice. Okay, so I put on the eyelashes and then add mascara. So that's pretty much it for the eyes. I really like the way it turned out. The eyelashes were pretty hard to get on, so I did that off camera. And yeah, for now I'm just going to add on some highlighter and some lipstick. So for highlighter, I'm going to be using this Mary Lou Luminizer. Oh, Luminizer. Again, I got this in an Ipsy bag. It's pretty small. Usually I will use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I don't have that right now. So this is pretty nice. It's very pigmented. So I'm just going to be using this fan brush and putting that all over. Okay, so now for lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Cream Blue. How do you say it?
Creme brulee.
Creme? Okay. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. So for lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee.
That's good.
Okay. I was like trying not to smell, but it didn't work.
Yes.
It smells like creme brulee. Okay, so this is the finished look.
Wait.
Was I so dumb?
Yeah.
I was so confident in that one too.
I know.
Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm just going to be finishing off by spraying some Milani Make It Last setting spray all over my face.
That's a lot.
Just a light spritz.
That's like a lot.
Okay, so this is the finished look. This is my first holiday look of the 12 Days of Makeup looks. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my social medias. Work.
Bye.
Bye.
Stop. Okay, bye.
I'm really feeling myself right
Okay,
now.
feel yourself over here. Okay, and we're done.